is Garima and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, take a minute to just smash on the subscribe button for viewing my videos later on. And welcome to my channel if you are new here. So we are going to do a review on these liquid lipstick from Manish Malhotra. I have tried doing this review like 3-4 times. I have shot it, but then I don't know, something happened. Either it got deleted or I didn't like it. And so today I am focused that I have to do it. So let's get started with the video. So for the first thing and foremost, which is very important, I just wash my face. So I'm using Biotic Morning Nectar to prepare my skin without moisturizer. Please don't apply any kind of makeup on your face, which I do a lot. Then I have a habit to apply sunscreen even at home, because your phones, your laptops, even your LED lights, they always throw some kind of UV rays which makes you tan. So just a drop of it, and I'm just getting some earrings. Finishing the preparation, I have applied Freewill serum which has vitamin E and argan oil in it. So the outer packaging looks like this. It is a black plastic fiber, and with the combination of this rose gold, which looks very classy and sexy. The name Manish Malhotra, which you cannot see properly, it is on the opposite side from like that, and Manish Malhotra on the other side, this logo of My Glam, and this is My Glam written on it. And on the third side they have shown, you can see the color from inside, which exactly matches. How pretty. And as you know, the camera cannot focus it, I will show you. This is the shade Wild Queen. The net weight of this content is 7 grams, which is fine, and if you even apply it daily, it will come like for 5-6 months, so it will work for you like for 2 years around. And then the MRP, which is very important for you guys to know, is 995, which is almost $1,000. So we will be I will see, and I will actually judge it with the Maybelline Superstay one, because they have created a brand and they have created a mark on, especially on us guys, and if once you apply them, they does not move anywhere. So I will be comparing it with little bit this lipstick with that, and as it has less cost, that is less costlier than this one, so it has to come up to the mark. But let's see, let's jump into the video. So let's directly start doing the review properly. And when I applied like the one swipe, you can see that the color payoff is amazing. Means in one swipe you can see the actual color, and I was also surprised when I used it for the first time. One thing, secondly, which you can see next is the wand. The wand is very stiff, and you can easily mark your lips, or you can line your lips properly, so that you don't have to use separately a lip liner pencil, which I again really liked it. Another thing which I want to say in comparison with Maybelline Superstay is that the consistency is very liquidy and non-sticky. It is not at all sticky, little bit wet obviously when it is not dried up, but when we apply Maybelline Superstay, it is little sticky, and it stays little sticky throughout the day, even after it gets matte. So now you can see it is wet, and that's why it is little shiny. I just covered my eye because it was looking very blank, and with the Deborah Milani Glay color pencil, I will write the shade on the description box, and even it is flashing I think on the screen. So yeah, before applying the liquid lipstick, actually I have also applied My Glam's Lit PH Lip Balm, which is also very good. It is in the shade Orange Crush. So now I am applying the second coat and trying to achieve a better shape of the lips. So I will be little over-filling on the sides of the upper lip, because my lower lip is much fuller than the upper one. So I just try to overdraw my upper lip so that I can get, and it looks much fuller.
So you can see now that how easy it is with this wand. With the Maybelline Superstay and many other liquid lipsticks, the wand are usually very flexible and kind of little rubbery, which makes it very difficult to line your lips. So in the second layer as well, now we can see that the color have not changed. The color exactly came with the first swipe itself. So the color has not changed, it is looking same. Now we are going to do the transfer test, and it is still getting little dry, so I will wait at least for 5 minutes. I will give you a proper view. So now I think it is set and it looks amazing. Means it looks quite, my lips also quite look smooth, and it is not sticky at all after getting dry. So let's test it. So I'm drinking hot coffee, and I would say that this is not transfer proof. It will transfer after every sip you take or you eat food. Even after that it transfers, but it does not come that much that it leaves a white stain on your lips, which happens with me a lot. I've again tested it on the back of my hand to show you that it transfers. So that is proof that this is not transfer proof, but it is not exactly the same because it does not leave your lips a lot. So now I'm showing you the lipstick in the light, direct sunlight. I'm standing in the front of my door, which has a light output, and you can see here the shade looks amazing. So after that I had my breakfast and hot oats meal with the curd. And after that around 10 o'clock then I again checked it after eating my breakfast. As you can see, it has not moved and it looks almost same. A little bit it is removed, little bit if you can make out on the lower lip inside, just inside of my lips. Don't bother my face and my marks, please. So yeah, here I am showing you right now little bit, but it is not that much visible because though it is a dark color and still you cannot see that much stain. So this is after I had my full meal after the lunch, and it is still there. It looks still sexy, little bit more removed as I told you.
So now we are finishing the video and I've talked about many things, so I want to give my final verdict and give it point on 5 points mainly. So the first one is consistency. I give it 4 marks because I really liked it's liquid, not thick. Then comes the color payoff. You can see it is a beautiful color and it pays off color in just one swipe. So second time also I applied and it was beautiful. Then the stay. For stay, yeah, so for color payoff I give it a 5 out of 5. Then for the stay, I would give it like 3.5 because it comes out and it is not transfer proof. So it does come out, so I have cut my marks from it a little bit in comparison with the Maybelline one, as I already told you. And then comes the cost and the amount of it. So when I actually compared it with the Maybelline Superstay, Maybelline one is 650 and the amount is 5 ml. And when I talk about this Manish Malhotra liquid lipstick, the cost is 995 but the amount is 7 ml. So likewise, I think it is almost same the price if you take a ratio. So I give it a 4 like that. And the color range, which I think is very boring. He should experiment and bring it to some color experiments because it has only that pinks and mauves and reddish tone, which is very common in all the liquid range. So I really want him to experiment more. So Manish Malhotra, this is an advice from my side which you really need to work on, and you need to bring up more shades, and rather than bringing up new types of lipstick, you can actually actually increase the coloring, because I really liked it, and many of you will like it if you start using it. So that's all from my side. So this is the final points from my side. I hope you guys have liked the video, and don't forget to smash on the subscribe button and the bell button next to it, so that you get a notification whenever I put a new video. And see you next time. Bye bye.